Brothers Repsol coming to you with another video on the Street Glide Special. This video we're going to be putting the Adversary grips on the bike. We're going to start with the clutch side first, which in my opinion you would think the throttle side would be the pain in the ass, but no. Well, hardly did the clutch side's a pain in the ass. So that's a T27 bit for the clutch lever, right? And then the T25 for this. I'm gonna take that off first.
Try to get a good angle here.
Yeah. It's just
there's no danger in them screws coming out. They're captured in there.
right.
So you just take those.
Don't want to drop that.
You just don't want to drop this metal housing here.
And then it's a long way getting off. So.
There's a top screw and a bottom screw.
Well, if I can see that. Of course, it's pouring down rain, so well, it was a second ago. Perfect time to do this. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, should pull out. Just make sure you don't drop it there. You can set it on the toolbox or there. And then you gotta take this off, right?
Yep. You just pull up on that. Don't, and it slides off.
It slides off.
Yep. If you have like a little flat bladed screwdriver, yep, that's it. And look, be careful, don't lose that, don't break it. Just slides off.
All right, now I need the T27.
Try to get around here. Get better. That's what it looks like with that over there. You see these screws trapped in there, won't come out. It's a good thing.
Whoa. Make sure you're careful not to drop your wrenches on your motorcycle.
Yeah, now this is just loosen. Don't overdo it. I'm just loosening this up. Oh, and that's probably good.
Okay.
Hang on, let me get to a better. Hang on before you do that. Let me get to a better camera angle here. Okay.
All right, and then we just pull this apart, right?
Yep. Pull that apart. Slide it up.
Slide that up like that right there.
Yep. There it is.
And now this thing is glued on with. When we did his, they are glued. That one is glued on like, man, you would not believe.
Yeah, they put like a rubber cement. And so this bike is a 2022, so that glue is,
and you cut
fresh. I just cut it like right there,
all the way
down. Yeah,
I
unfortunately,
hate to do that, but
unfortunately you do.
What are you gonna do, right? What can you do?
Just be careful, don't cut you. Use a sharp knife so you can do it in one pass,
Like that. Oh my goodness.
That, yeah, like I said, that's cement. Actually pulls some of the rubber off the grip.
Look at that.
Yep.
Yeah, we struggled with his, That's why we didn't make a video putting his on. We kind of got an idea of how to do this. Doing his. So you know how we do our videos. Uncut.
That's right. Going through it as we are. No funny business. All our mistakes are right here for you to see.
Yeah, hopefully we don't make any of those. I'm gonna cut that.
Mm-hmm.
My gosh.
Yeah, that glue,
Man, it is
whatever they
something
use.
else. Now, if you have grips on like your sport bike, like that one, you can take your air hose, because they don't use this crazy glue like this on those. You can take your air hose. Look, come over here. Take your air hose and peel this back, and these grips are a little more forgiving. Blow air right in there, and it'll just slide right off.
Yeah, you got to take this off, obviously.
Obviously, one screw, take that out, and you just put air right in there, and blow that right off. And then when you put your new one on, wiggle it on, get your air hose, put it right there, slide it right on. You can line up however, if it's got a design, however you want to line it up.
Yep, they're extremely forgiving. Sure are on the crotch rocket.
Yeah,
Well,
sport
on
bikes.
anything up to 2007, anyway, that's all we've ever.
Right,
I
that's
mean,
all.
they might be using some kind of fancy Gorilla Glue on the new nowadays, but
Right, all my other 600s or.
well, I think yours is on there better than mine was.
Good night, man. Grab that bar so I don't pull the bike over.
Oh, yep, I got you.
I might have to cut it off. Whittle it off of here.
Yeah, now we did spin on mine. We tried to keep from cutting it. So we twisted on mine and twisted on it a bunch.
Till our hands was hurting.
Yeah, till my hand was sore.
I hate doing that. Makes you feel like you're ruining something, but I mean, it's already ruined now, so. I could probably get a screwdriver and stick in there and pry it off, but
Which drawer? And I'll get you one if you want.
that's fine. I'll just use this.
Okay, just don't cut yourself.
Yeah.
Careful, don't bend the handlebars.
Right. My goodness gracious. It is. Man, it is on there. I'm just going to cut it off.
Yeah.
And here comes the bride. Good God, man. You'll see when we do the throttle side how quick that thing goes on.
Yeah, I think yours is definitely glued on there better than mine.
Oh, God, dog. Man. I'm going to take my knife here and get rid of some of this. Hello?
I think you just I mean, it'll slide on there.
Man, I don't know. There's some big chunks right here, dude.
Oh,
Yeah. Mommy's home. We're gonna try and slide it on there. Might take some sandpaper if you got some. We'll see if I have a little bit. There's the grip. I got some
Scott Brake.
Try some of that. I don't know.
If I can even twist it around here. Well, it's got a big piece right here. I knocked it off of there.
Okay. Yeah, on the crotch rocket, the throttle side is the pain in the ass side.
Yeah.
But it's a tube. This is a fly-by-wire, so.
This is the Adversary grips.
Yep.
Just push it on until it stops.
Push it on until it stops. There's a notch in it.
This notch right here, it's like goes all the way around it this way. From what I understand, it goes to the bottom.
Yep.
And then now we got to get this housing back around it. I think that's on all the way.
See if I can get a better angle here.
We struggled, or I struggled and struggled trying to get it on his, but my goodness, for some reason.
Well, if you shove it on all the way, it's really tight down here at the base. That's part of the friction hold down here at the base, which is where you want it, honestly, because it's clamped on up here. So once you get that,
It looks like that's it.
yep, that looks it.
Looks like that's it. Let's get that. I am very surprised that that was that easy to get on there, to be honest.
Well, like we said, we figured out when we did mine that you got to shove it all the way.
Make sure I put this on there. Not that you can put that on the wrong direction, but. And then,
And you want to get your lever in the correct orientation that you want it in, and still looks off a little bit.
yeah, this doesn't look like this is on all the way here. Does it have a notch that it's supposed to go in? Get the light. I don't know, man. What does it look like it needs to have?
It looks correct to me, but yeah, it looks correct.
Yeah, but I was putting this on. This looks like.
Yeah, there it is.
Get the gap in it though.
Yeah, it'll tighten up once you start that screw.
Yeah, but it looks. Maybe here. I don't know. Like it's touching down here, but not up here. I don't know, maybe so. Right. Tool.
Maybe at least start the screws and then see if you need to readjust or something. Yeah, see, that all looks correct to me. So
It just looks like a big gap between it all to me.
well, there is a gap. You're gonna close it.
I mean, like a huge gap. I would have thought I could have pushed them together better than that.
Maybe not. Look at this gap right here.
Oh, yep.
See what I'm talking about?
Yep. Hang on a sec. Maybe sit on the bike. See if you can, see if you can shove the grip on further.
I don't think I can do it sitting on the bike.
Okay.
That seems better. Dude, leave that down.
Might close it up a lot.
Yeah, if I could just keep it. That way while I get the screw started.
Just not a good camera angle. Sorry, y'all.
Yeah, close that up.
Yeah, move your hand, please. I'm just trying to see here.
Just trying to make sure it didn't fall off.
I had that bottom screw in.
I meant to make the gap bigger. Trying to hold it in place.
Yeah, it looks like it closed up, right?
Yep.
And these are fairly tight, right?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Here's where you got to be concerned about the angle of the dangle.
Right there. Yeah, you probably shouldn't have tightened all that up without checking it. It feels like it needs to come down some, but I've got to loosen this to turn it down.
That's probably loose enough, huh?
You want to find out?
Oh, hold that, please. That feels good. See? Okay.
You didn't loosen the bottom one?
Nope. I'm gonna check them all.
Just freaks me out.
I
Rolls
know,
forward
man.
just a tiny bit.
Sorry about that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, please. Trying to get to 100 subs. Tight as a whale's ass right there, man.
Yep. Be waterproof.
What's that?
I said that's waterproof, so
That's right.
they're watertight. Those are tight as. They're tight.
Oh, damn.
Don't round off your screws now.
Yeah, don't do what I just did. Make sure you keep your screw in there.
Yep, hold that bit in there tight.
And that is the right size.
Yep. So like we said, those are T27 here, T27, T25 for this back.
Where's that button?
Right here.
Let's put that bag on. It popped off of there real easy, didn't it?
Yep.
Go like this.
Yep. You might need to lift it up. Lift it up.
Just
Like that. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah. And there. That side's done.
Yep.
Not sure if I'm liking those grips or not. Let us know if you like those grips.
Yep. Go look at our video. We put the big kahunas on mine. Or the kahuna? Kahuna grip. I think it's what it's called.
You got the other bit too? I must have dropped it.
Yeah, we put the kahuna grips. There's a short video on our webpage.
Yep, I dropped it there.
Brothers reps off for the kahuna grip. Go check it out. Tell us which one you like the best.
Trying to be a little different, you know. We are twins, but got to be a little different.
But, you know, we like what we like. So
For sure.
our tastes are the same because we're twins.
Yep,
We don't plan it. That's just how it is.
that's right. Can't see that. Leave my- Put them off. What about two? Sorry this was a lengthy video so far, but we're on the downhill slope, I think. Getting this one on will be...
Well, you get to see real time how long it takes. Change out your grip. For us.
I feel like we got lucky on the clutch side, don't you?
I
mean-
skill, baby. It's not loose or something. You get that
It's
bottom.
loose.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you pull it off then. I'm gonna hold it.
All right. Making sure I got the right bit in here now. Yeah, that's it.
T27.
Oh gosh almighty. It's because I'm working at an angle here. And it's gonna be tight.
Like they should be.
Yeah, you get one loose and you'll feel like, well, the bottom is not loose. Remember, it's a clamp. So when
The
you
bottom's
loosen one
not-
side,
It's not tight.
it's
When
not
you-
tight any longer.
yeah, you'll get a false sense of how tight the bottom one is, or the top one, depending on which one you loosen first. But they are both.
This one should just slide right off of there like that.
Yep.
There's that fly-by-wire.
It's control right down.
And then this one should slide right on. And you want to make sure that
You got it lined up the way it neat, the way, you know, so that they at least appear to be in the same.
I think that's it, huh?
Yeah, that looks
So we can
right.
see.
Get on it. Oh, careful.
It feels like it.
Yep.
And to tell you the truth, I don't know if you can put it on wrong. Of course, it's on and I can't get it back. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I don't know if you can put it on wrong. Let's see. Yeah, you can. So That looks right.
Yep, so you can put it on in a different orientation. If you choose to, I don't know why you would, but
Yeah, I'd try and match each side.
now you're gonna be extremely anal about it.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be like, oh, I think it's a tooth too high. I think that's it. What do you think?
I think that's it.
I think that's it. What do y'all think?
You got a better angle than we do.
Tell
so-
us what you think. Does that look right? If it's not, it's your fault.
I think if Harley Davidson is, parallel with the ground when it's on its, with the wheel cocked to the left, I think it's perfect.
Right. For sure. I mean, they definitely want to advertise, right?
Yeah, boy, that one was easy compared to the other side, huh?
I mean, compared to that other side, yes, sir.
So I talked to a tech at Harley, and he said that on the clutch, there is a spring back here somewhere, back here on this side somewhere, that you got to make sure is lined up, but I couldn't find any problems, so it all looks correct on mine, which is why we didn't do anything. You see a lot of people push the clutch and put something behind it, but
I didn't find
as long
it
as you're
necessary.
careful, and don't take your
Here, I'm gonna get on it so I can get the lever right where I want it.
yeah, you're still gonna have that shake wiggle, but
Yep.
them big
that's-
fat grips on there.
I think that's it right there. I'm gonna set it back down. Yeah, I was kind of on the fence about them when I first got them. I mean, I ordered them. They showed up today. They looked good in the package or online when I saw them. And then when they showed up, I was like, man, these are kind of big compared to what kind did you get? I forgot the name.
Kahuna.
Kahuna.
What are these called again?
Adversary.
Adversary. So
He's the
let us
Kahuna.
know which one you like better, Kahuna or the Adversary. And I mean, you might prefer something different. I'm just talking about between the ones we put on.
Right. You might prefer the Willie G's. Or
They look cool.
the Willie G's, yeah, they look nice.
Yeah, I didn't go with them because they're, rubber, much like the factory grip.
Well, I mean, I didn't go with them because I saw these. I almost got the Willie G's over these.
Well, everybody I talked to, the factory grips. If you wear gloves, they'll last a little longer, but eventually you're gonna have to replace them anyway. So
Yeah, they'll get all sticky and
come apart. And if you use like sunscreen and get sunscreen on the grip, it'll deteriorate it even faster, from what I've been told. So.
all right. Now I want to make sure that this is
Oh yeah.
working.
Oh yeah. It's good.
Make sure it's working and stuff. Let me go get the old key to it.
We took the warning labels off. Yep, it's beautiful.
I could have put the code in to unlock the motorcycle. I recommend looking at your owner's manual and putting your own code in because they all come with the same standard code. So I recommend going and putting in your own code. Yeah, boy, they feel nice. I like it.
And for that matter,
Turn that down. Enough of that.
Sounds good.
Yeah, that's the Bansenheim slip-ons with no baffles. So yeah, I like the grips. Blank, check it. Oh, sorry. Check them out.
I sure do like them now that they're on there. Oh, I locked it. I locked it. Got to get out of the habit of doing that. You got to turn that. There you go. Sorry about that, man.
Oh yeah.
Feels pretty good, huh?
Yeah, they feel, I know they're long, but because they got that downward slope here at the end, it almost makes them feel like they're shorties, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They're like tall here and here
Right.
and sloped in.
Right.
So that when it fits your hand like perfectly, right? You know you're on the grip completely when you can feel, you know, after you ride for a while and you feel like, man, is the grip, like my hand sliding down? You'll know.
Yeah, I think I'm going to like them.
Yeah, I think you're gonna.
Let us know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends.
Yeah, please.
Yep. So I think that's going to do it for this episode of Brothers Repsol.
Appreciate you hanging out with us.
That's it. Yep.
Till next time, thanks so much.
See y'all on the flip side. Appreciate it.